uh, like I keep coming back to the India concept and that being so central to what you do in terms of comedy, what you write
Sure.
in terms of films, how you want to direct, and the conversation you want to have. It's a very clear sort of a universe that you revolve around. Give me an insight into why is that? Is that you? Is that coming from a need to really say something? Is that coming from a need to protect something? I'm just trying to.
I don't know. For some reason, I've had a weird childhood, right? In
Hmm.
terms of, I was raised in Africa till I was 8.
Hmm.
Then I was sent to Simla from 8 to 12. Then Noida from 12 to 18.
Hmm.
And 13 to 18. And then abroad. And
Hmm.
then back. So I've never really sat anywhere.
Hmm.
And so um, sometimes if you have an Indian photographer shoot New York, he will see things that New Yorkers don't see.
Hmm.
And sometimes if you have a foreign cinematographer shoot an Indian movie, they will see things that we don't see also.
Huh.
You know,
Hmm.
maybe that's just it. Maybe you come from the outside and you see little things that people walk by every day. But
Hmm.
um, I've written 5 stand-up specials about India.
Yes.
That's a pretty committed. Takes a long time to write a stand-up special. It is very
Yeah.
easy to write specials about मैं gym gaya, I'm fighting with my
Huh.
wife.
Yeah.
There are many
Huh.
relatable topics. I, through my life, in some way, shape, or form, I've been told I'm not Indian enough, right? And so I keep writing these tribute shows to India. I hope one day I will write the show where they say, all right, Indian enough.
So it's about acceptance.
It certainly hasn't happened yet, but it's what I love to write about the most. They're all love letters to my country, all of these shows.